Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today you're going to watch how to make the most iconic and ultimate summer quencher street drink of Old Delhi, Mohabbat Ka Sharbat, which is very popular during the month of Ramzan. Wishing you and your family a blessed and fulfilling Ramzan. May your prayers be answered, your fast be accepted, and your deeds be multiplied in reward. Now let's begin with the recipe. Scoop out the watermelon with a half teaspoon measuring spoon to make cute balls for the final garnishing. Keep them aside and chop the rest of the fruit into small pieces. To give a decorative flair to the drink, I am using a crinkle cut knife to make some wavy strips out of the fruit. Keep them aside. I have taken 500 ml of milk, pour in some Roohafza into it and add in those chopped watermelon pieces, followed by 4 to 5 teaspoons of soaked and bloomed sweet basil seeds or Sabja seeds. They are otherwise called Foluda seeds. To spike up the color and accentuate the flavor, add few drops of rose milk essence and mix well. This essence makes the drink look quite enticing and vibrant. You can put the lid on and store in the refrigerator for chilling if you have prepared it ahead of time. Otherwise, simply drop in some ice cubes and serve immediately. Since we have added ice cubes, pour in some more Roohafza to sweeten the drink. As we have not added any extra sugar in this recipe, mix well and pour it into a glass. Use a washed and wiped wooden skewer to slide in those reserved wavy strips and the watermelon balls to give a finished look, and serve this refreshing and vibrant drink with a burst of the wholesome watermelon and roast flavor to hydrate yourself after a day-long fasting or to beat the summer heat. Friends, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, write your valuable feedback in the comment section and share this recipe with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.